Vanguard and Schwab get all the attention, like they're the only games in town. But behind the scenes, smart money is making a different move, quietly shifting over $40 billion into 3 Fidelity funds most investors completely overlook. These funds don't just fly under the radar, they've actually outperformed the S&P 500, delivered solid passive income, and kept costs ultra low. Curious? You should be. Let's dive in. In this video, we're breaking down 3 game-changing Fidelity funds, each designed to turn a simple $10,000 investment into something way bigger. The first, a passive income powerhouse with serious dividend growth potential, enough to generate up to $3,000 per month in the right setup. The second, it's the most generous, offering full market exposure with 0 expense ratio. And the third, it's your growth engine, built to ride the tech wave and help grow your portfolio toward $2 million and beyond. Ready to see how they work? Let's go! When it comes to investing, certain names come up again and again: Vanguard, Schwab, and Fidelity. But what actually makes Fidelity worth your time, your money, and your long-term trust? Fidelity is one of the largest and most respected financial institutions on the planet. With over $12 trillion in assets and more than 40 million clients, they serve everyone, from beginners opening their first Roth IRA to seasoned investors managing multi-million-dollar portfolios. This isn't some trendy app or fly-by-night robo-advisor. Fidelity brings decades of experience, industry-leading security, and a proven track record of both innovation and performance. But what really sets them apart? 2 words: investor first. While many brokerages pile on hidden fees or offer cookie-cutter funds, Fidelity's quietly built a lineup designed for real growth, including options with 0 expense ratios. That's right, no fees, no gimmicks, just pure compounding potential. And here's the kicker: most people have no idea these funds even exist. They're too busy chasing TikTok tips or meme stocks to notice that Fidelity is playing the long game and playing it well. So if you're serious about building real wealth, want passive income without the headaches, and don't want fees draining your gains, you're in the right place. Because what we're about to show you, these 3 funds are built to grow your money fast. FDVV. First up, FDVV, the Fidelity High Dividend ETF. If you've been eyeing dividend legends like SCHD, but want something with more growth under the hood, this one might surprise you. FDVV is built to deliver high, consistent income through dividends. But here's the twist: it's not just chasing yield blindly. It targets large and mid-cap US companies with strong fundamentals and high dividend payouts. Translation: you're not just getting income, you're getting it from financially sound companies with real staying power. So what's inside? Names like Microsoft, JP Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil, heavy hitters across tech, energy, healthcare, and finance. That means FDVV blends growth potential with reliable cash flow, a combo that's rare in income-focused ETFs. Let's talk numbers. Expense ratio, just 0.16%, super low. Dividend yield, around 3.52%. Dividend growth, over 16% per year. Share price growth, about 8.12% annually since its 2016 launch. That's a rare trifecta: solid yield now, rising income later, and capital gains along the way. It's like SCHD's lesser-known cousin, but with potentially more long-term upside. Now, what if you invested $10,000 and just let it ride? After 5 years, your portfolio could grow to $17,000, generating around $600 a year in dividends. At 20 years, it might hit $114,000, paying over $6,300 a year, or about $530 a month. But at 30 years, with reinvested dividends, the portfolio could explode to $492,000 and produce over $36,000 a year in income. That's $3,000 a month from a one-time $10,000 investment. This is the power of compounding plus dividend growth plus capital appreciation quietly working in your favor, all from a fund with high-quality holdings and low fees. But maybe you're more focused on minimizing fees altogether, especially for long-term growth. If that's you, the next fund is your perfect match. FZROX. Next up is FZROX, the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund. And yes, that zero isn't just clever branding. The expense ratio is literally 0.00%. No fees, no management costs, nada. This fund tracks the entire US stock market, from giants like Apple and Amazon to mid and small cap companies you've probably never heard of, but are quietly delivering serious returns. Inside, think Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, a who's who of US innovation. Sector-wise, it leans heavily into tech, healthcare, and consumer discretionary. Now, FZROX isn't built for income. Its dividend yield is just 1.14%, with growth around 4.4% per year. But that's not the goal here. This fund is about pure capital appreciation, and it delivers. In the past 5 years alone, FZROX returned 13.54% per year just on share price. If FDVV is about balanced income and growth, FZROX is a fee-free rocket ship for long-term wealth. Perfect for young investors, fire followers, or anyone who wants to maximize efficiency with no drag from fees and let the entire market carry their gains. So what happens if you drop $10,000 into FZROX and simply let time do the work? After 5 years, it nearly doubles to $20,000. Dividend income? Light, around $216 a year. But that's not the point. Growth is. At 20 years, it grows to over $162,000, paying about $2,400 a year in dividends. Reinvested, that's another $15,400+ quietly compounding behind the scenes. But at 30 years, things go ballistic. Your portfolio hits $682,000, with total reinvested dividends now contributing over $81,000 to your growth. Annual income? Around $12,400 a year. That's $1,100 a month from just one patient $10,000 investment. This is what zero-fee investing looks like when it's given enough time to compound. FZROX doesn't waste a cent, and it pulls the full force of the US economy to work for you. So we've seen FDVV for income and FZROX for pure efficiency. But what if you want to chase explosive, high-octane growth? Well, the next ETF is your answer. Let's bring in the heavy artillery. FTEC. And now for the heavy hitter, the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF, also known as FTEC. This one isn't here to play defense. FTEC is built for one thing: pure, unapologetic, tech-fueled growth. If FDVV is your income generator and FZROX is your efficient foundation, FTEC is the rocket ship. It tracks the MSCI US IMI Information Technology Index, which means it's laser-focused on the biggest, boldest tech companies in the country. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Broadcom, Adobe, and over 300 more tech innovators from cloud computing to semiconductors and software. Let's talk performance. Dividend yield, just 0.50%. Dividend growth, about 2.45% per year. But that's not why you buy this. You're here for growth, and FTEC delivers. Over the past decade, it's returned a staggering 18.74% annually on share price alone. With nearly 90% exposure to tech, this ETF gives you direct access to themes like AI, automation, cloud infrastructure, and cybersecurity, the true engines of the modern economy. And here's what sets it apart. While many tech funds charge high fees or have limited holdings, FTEC offers broad exposure at a bargain with an expense ratio of just 0.08%. That means more of your gains stay in your pocket where they belong. Now let's see what happens when you invest $10,000 and let FTEC do its thing. Year 5. The portfolio grows to $24,000+, more than double. Dividends? Light, around $105 a year. But remember, FTEC is built for growth, not income. Year 20, the portfolio explodes to $340,000 with over $9,900 in reinvested dividends quietly fueling your gains. Year 30, FTEC takes off. Your $10,000 snowballs into over $2 million. That's the power of 18% compounding. Even dividends start showing up, now paying $11,200 a year, or about $930 per month. This is what long-term tech investing can do. FTEC isn't your income ETF. It's your moonshot. If you believe innovation drives wealth and you're playing for legacy-level results, this is your ticket. So there you have it. FDVV for steady income and dividend growth, FZROX for zero-fee total market exposure, and FTEC for high-octane, tech-driven growth. 3 Fidelity funds, 3 different strategies, 1 mission: to grow your wealth faster than most ever imagine. Want more powerful ETF strategies? Tap the video on your screen now and unlock the next step in your journey to financial freedom.